To download the Coinbase app on your Android phone, we'll first want to locate the Google Play Store, which looks like this. In the Play Store, you'll have different charts for popular apps, and if you know what you're looking for, you can use the search. I'll go to search and type in Coinbase, and it'll come up on the very top of my search results. Just keep in mind that when you search for apps, you'll always see some ads and sponsored results for similar apps, so it's good to double-check and make sure you're downloading the correct app. In the results, you can tap the app to view more details and tap Install to download and install it on your phone. Once the download is finished, you can open the app, and you're basically all set. Just create an account or log in with an existing account if you have one. After downloading an app, you'll find it in your app drawer, and if you want, you can add it to your home screen by long pressing the app icon and choosing Add to Home. And of course, on the home screen, you can tap, drag, and move the app to place it anywhere you want. And that's how you download Coinbase. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.